Welcome back to Turboride USA. In a world increasingly dominated by sharp angles, digital screens, and synthetic perfection, this vintage adventure motorcycle with a sidecar stands apart as a moving tribute to mechanical soul and timeless design. The first impression is powerful and unmistakable. Finished in a deep military green blended with warm yellow accents, the motorcycle instantly evokes the spirit of classic expedition machines, once used on uncharted roads, forest trails, and wartime supply routes. The color scheme is not merely aesthetic, it is symbolic. Green represents endurance, resilience, and harmony with nature, while yellow adds a subtle sense of visibility, caution, and historical authenticity, often associated with vintage utility vehicles. The overall shape of the motorcycle is purposeful and rugged. There are no unnecessary curves or flashy panels. Every line exists for a reason. The fuel tank carries a rounded, muscular profile, slightly elongated to suggest long-distance capability. Its surface is matte or semi-gloss, reducing reflections and reinforcing the old-school mission-ready character. The tank's form flows smoothly into a minimalist black seat, which is flat and firm, designed more for durability and posture than luxury. This seat design reinforces the motorcycle's utilitarian DNA, allowing the rider to maintain control over uneven terrain while remaining comfortable during extended rides. The frame structure is visibly strong, with exposed elements that highlight mechanical honesty. The steel bodywork feels dense and trustworthy, suggesting that this machine is built to survive harsh environments. The spoked wheels add another layer of classic charm, instantly connecting the motorcycle to a bygone era of hand-built machines. These wheels are paired with rugged off-road tires featuring deep, aggressive tread patterns. Their size and profile indicate readiness for mud, gravel, sand, and rocky paths, making it clear that this is not a city cruiser, but a true adventure companion. At the front, a large round headlight dominates the face of the motorcycle. Its circular shape is iconic, timeless, and practical. Flanking it are auxiliary lights, smaller in size but equally important. These lights serve both functional and visual roles, enhancing nighttime visibility while reinforcing the military-inspired aesthetic. The lighting setup feels purposeful rather than decorative, designed for real-world conditions where illumination can mean safety and survival. Above the headlight sits a small windshield, modest in size but carefully shaped. It offers just enough wind protection to reduce fatigue at speed without compromising the bike's raw, open-air riding experience. The windshield's transparency and minimal mounting hardware maintain the clean visual balance of the front profile. The sidecar is where the motorcycle's character truly expands. Attached firmly to the main body, it mirrors the bike's color scheme and rugged styling. Its shape is boxy yet refined, designed to carry gear, supplies, or even a passenger in challenging conditions. The metal luggage racks mounted on both the motorcycle and the sidecar emphasize utility and adventure. These racks are robust, welded with precision, and capable of supporting heavy loads such as fuel cans, toolkits, camping equipment, or travel bags. The spare tire mounted on the rear of the sidecar completes the expedition-ready look. This detail alone tells a story of long journeys and self-reliance. It reflects a time when riders prepared for breakdowns far from civilization, carrying everything needed to keep moving forward. The spare tire also balances the visual weight of the sidecar, giving the entire setup a grounded, stable appearance. Overall, the design and style of this motorcycle are deeply rooted in classic military and vintage adventure traditions. It is not flashy, not modern in the digital sense, and not designed to impress with speed alone. Instead, it impresses through authenticity, toughness, and a design philosophy that values function, reliability, and timeless beauty over trends. Beneath the rugged exterior lies the true heart of this vintage adventure motorcycle, its engine and mechanical systems. The engine is designed with simplicity and durability as top priorities. Rather than chasing extreme horsepower figures, it focuses on delivering consistent torque, reliability, and ease of maintenance. This makes it ideal for long-distance travel, off-road exploration, and harsh environments where complex electronics can become liabilities. The engine configuration is typically a robust single-cylinder or twin-cylinder setup, air-cooled or oil-cooled, reflecting classic engineering principles. Air cooling enhances mechanical simplicity and reduces dependence on vulnerable components such as radiators or coolant hoses. The engine casing is solid and heavy, often finished in black or brushed metal, reinforcing the industrial character of the machine. Its low-end torque delivery allows the rider to navigate steep inclines, loose surfaces, and uneven trails with confidence and control. Fuel delivery is managed through a traditional carburetor or a simplified fuel injection system, depending on the build philosophy. In either case, the focus remains on reliability and ease of repair. The exhaust system is routed high enough to avoid damage during off-road riding, producing a deep, throaty sound that reflects the engine's mechanical strength rather than excessive loudness. The transmission system is engineered for versatility. A multi-speed gearbox provides smooth power delivery across varying terrains. Gear ratios are optimized for low-speed crawling and moderate highway cruising, rather than high-speed racing. The clutch is heavy-duty, designed to handle the additional load of the sidecar without slipping or overheating. Mechanical braking components play a crucial role in safety and control. The front disc brake provides strong, reliable stopping power, especially important given the additional mass of the sidecar. The braking system is tuned for progressive response, allowing the rider to modulate braking force precisely on loose surfaces. Rear braking support further enhances stability during descents and emergency stops. The suspension system is built for endurance rather than softness. Front forks are sturdy and travel-oriented, absorbing shocks from rocks, potholes, and rough trails. The rear suspension is reinforced to handle extra weight from luggage and the sidecar. On the sidecar itself, the suspension is calibrated to maintain balance and reduce lateral movement, ensuring stable handling even during cornering. Speed is not the defining feature of this motorcycle, but it is more than sufficient for its intended purpose. The top speed is moderate, emphasizing control and safety over raw acceleration. Cruising speeds are comfortable and sustainable, allowing the rider to cover long distances without excessive engine stress. This balance ensures longevity and dependable performance over time. Facilities and rider-focused features are thoughtfully integrated. The riding position is upright and commanding, offering excellent visibility and reduced fatigue. Handlebars are wide, providing leverage and control, especially when managing the sidecar. Foot pegs are positioned for stability and comfort during both seated and standing riding. Electrical components are kept minimal and robust. The lighting system prioritizes visibility and durability. Wiring is reinforced and routed carefully to prevent damage from vibration or environmental exposure. Instrumentation is simple and analog, displaying essential information such as speed, fuel level, and engine status without unnecessary complexity. From a mechanical perspective, this motorcycle is designed to be serviced easily. Components are accessible, spare parts are straightforward, and the overall construction encourages hands-on maintenance. This makes it an ideal machine for riders who value independence and mechanical understanding. In conclusion, this vintage adventure motorcycle with a sidecar is not just a vehicle. It is a mechanical companion built for exploration, resilience, and storytelling. Its engine, parts, and systems work in harmony to support a lifestyle of adventure, where the journey matters more than the destination, and reliability matters more than speed. Please like and subscribe for more real videos.